like this one's like about half of the nails, or like make it like have a smile line. I'm looking for like a jars of the flowers.
Flowers?
Yeah. Oh, you said a glow in the dark. You would chalk it. Where is that at?
Oh, that one.
Give it to me. You put it in here?
Yes, it is.
Alright, so premium eye hold shampoo for this one is cool. So we'll do a matte top coat on this one and see. This is a matte top coat. You can do shiny if you don't want anything else. And I'm gonna key this.
30 seconds.
30 seconds first for flash key. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the like a smile line. I'm so excited. You can tell, huh? Because I'm not like, I don't think I want just unboxing it. It's like, I'm so excited because I can't wait to create so many designs with you. You have like a limitless of what you can do with this box. Such a really cool, stunning nail art. And all right, so now I'm gonna key this for 30 seconds because we're using a premium eye hole shampoo for gel. This is look not bad at all. You can use this and then put the foil on. I have this one. I'm not sure which one you are getting. I'm so excited to see what you're getting on yours, on your box. But that's what I got in my box. This is what I got in my box.
Ready?
Nice, like this. So cool. So what should we do? Should we do the maybe we should do flower first, huh? This one looks good with the look at that. This one looks good with strawberry. Let's do flower on this one. I was like thinking of opposite too. All right, so let's see what is the good. What is maybe the right here.
Yeah, get some big flowers so you actually see the smile line.
I'm just angle it. You can do however you like. It doesn't have to be exactly the spot like this. So give it a good pressures. Oh, it's already transferred for me.
Yeah, that's it.
Yep. It's already transferred. It looks cool.
Nice.
Little furs that was coming here. So I'm going to just like take that off. I don't know where it's come from, but it's
okay.
definitely.
The smile line for you.
All right. So I'm looking at some of the, oh, maybe I should use this. Maybe I should use the illuminating gel art. Like have a pinkish thing. It's really cool and precise bristle. So then it's easy to create a fringe. So the best way and easiest way to do is I'm going to do it like mark it right in the middle of the smile line fringe, and then gently like keep the bristle flat and draw it upward to the edges of the nail to create the deep smile line. But if you don't want a deep smile line, you can do it like a little bit more, what do you say, like more shallow, like not too deep. And then you can do your smile line as thick or thin. It just really depends on you. Looks stunning. It looks cool. Not bad at all. Ooh la la. Okay, I'm gonna flash key this one for 30 seconds. I think this is this a glow in the dark? Ah, no, not glow in the dark, sorry. I keep saying it's a thermal. It means that it changed the color. So that's what I got. I'm so excited to see what you are getting. Because I want to know what you're getting. So let's see what we're getting here. That's a lot of cuties right there. I'm fascinated with this, the mix. That is cool.
Turn it side to side for me.